Hello, my name is Victor Fuller, and I'm the Customer Experience Manager for EverLogic. I'd like to welcome you to our training session on deposits and payments on a repair order and an invoice. Today I'm going to discuss the difference between a deposit or a payment on a repair order and an invoice, and why and when you should use one versus the other. Now let's begin. You'll need to open the RO or invoice so you can add the deposit or payment. As you can see, the repair order and invoice take payments above the accounting box and deposits in the toolbar at the top. So I'll use my invoice to demonstrate both. Once your RO or invoice is on the screen, you need to ask yourself this question. Am I closing this RO or invoice today? Okay, that seems like an odd question, right? So here's why you need to ask that question. Payments only count toward your end of day on the day you close the RO or invoice. However, deposits count the day you take them, even if the RO or invoice remains open. Let's say you have a customer who needs a part that has to be special ordered. You want to be able to take a portion or all of the selling price of the part now, but you can't close the RO or invoice until the part arrives. You would take this money as a deposit so you can leave the RO or invoice open. Or maybe you have a customer that is making installment payments on an expensive repair while the work is being completed. You can't close the RO because the work's not done, so again, you would take the money as a deposit. To take the deposit on an RO or an invoice, go to the toolbar at the top of the RO or invoice and click on Deposit. Click on Take Deposit. Select your payment type from the drop-down. Let's say they're writing us a check. Enter the amount you are taking or leave the full amount. Click Add and the deposit will be added to the accounting box of your RO or invoice. If you are taking a credit card and you process with our partner Cayenne, enter the amount you are taking or leave the full amount and then click on the golden card. Click on Ask for Payment Of, and the Genius device will prompt the customer to swipe or insert his or her card. Once the card is approved, click Close. After you print the merchant and customer copies of the credit card receipt, EverLogic will add the deposit to the accounting box on the RO or invoice. When you are closing an RO or an invoice, you can simply take a payment from the Select Payment drop-down above the accounting box. Click the drop-down, select your payment type, tab over to enter the amount you are taking if the customer is using more than one payment type, or leave the full amount, tab again or hit enter, and the payment will drop into the accounting box. Close out of your RO or invoice, and this payment will be counted on today's end of day. Let's recap. Remember, deposits count on your end of day the day you take them, and payments count on your end of day only when you close an RO or an invoice. This concludes our quick tips video on payments and deposits on an RO and an invoice. On behalf of myself and all of us here at EverLogic, I'd like to thank you for viewing this training session. If you have any questions, please contact us at area code 904-998-4066 or email us at support@everlogic.com, or you can email me directly at victor@everlogic.com.